Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. Today, I have a special challenge for you. This is your chance to see how much your English has improved. Don't worry about making mistakes. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Today's goal is simple. Keep speaking. Keep communicating. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Let's begin with a quick warm-up. Warm up. Repeat after me. I am confident. I enjoy speaking English. Every day I improve. I speak clearly. I never give up. English is becoming easier for me. Excellent. Now, let's continue. Challenge 1. Introduce yourself. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Speak for 1 minute. You can answer these questions. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Why are you learning English? Ready? Start speaking now. Fantastic. Remember, don't stop if you make a mistake. Keep going. Challenge 2. Describe your day. Now tell me about your daily routine. What time do you wake up? What do you usually do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the evening? Try to speak for at least 1 minute. Use simple English. Keep talking. Excellent. Conversation practice. Now imagine you're talking to a new friend. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you today? I'm doing great. How about you? I'm fine, thank you. What did you do today? I studied English and watched a movie. That sounds interesting. What are your plans for tomorrow? I'm going to practice my English again. That's wonderful. Keep it up. Excellent. Now repeat the whole conversation once again. Speak naturally. Smile while you speak. Great job. Challenge 3. Talk about your dream. Now I want you to speak about one dream. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to become fluent in English. Whatever your dream is, talk about it. Why is it important? How will you achieve it? Speak without stopping. Wonderful. You are doing an amazing job. Before we continue, you've already completed several speaking challenges. In the next part, we'll do a final fluency test, a real-life conversation, and one last confidence challenge. Let's keep going. You've already completed several speaking challenges. Now it's time for the final part of today's lesson. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking. Confidence grows through practice. Let's continue. Final fluency challenge. This time, I want you to speak for 3 minutes without stopping. Talk about your life. You can answer these questions. What do you enjoy doing every day? What are your goals for the future? What is something new you learned this week? How has your English improved? What will you do to keep improving? Don't rush. Speak slowly. If you forget a word, use another simple word. Keep talking. That's what real communication is all about. Excellent. Real-life conversation at a coffee shop. Now imagine you're ordering a drink. Listen first. Then repeat after me. Hello. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Sure. Would you like anything else? Yes. I'd also like a sandwich. No problem. Anything to drink besides coffee? No, thank you. That's all. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Excellent. Now repeat the entire conversation one more time. This time, speak naturally. Imagine you're really there. Fantastic. Final confidence practice. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I can speak English with confidence. I am not afraid of mistakes. Every day I become a better English speaker. I will never stop learning. I am proud of my progress. Excellent. Now say all those sentences again with a strong and confident voice. Wonderful. Your next mission. This challenge may be ending, but your English journey is just beginning. From today, try to speak English for at least 10 minutes every day. Listen to English every day. Learn useful phrases. Think in English. And most importantly, enjoy the learning process. Small daily practice creates big results. Final message. Before we finish, I want to tell you something important. If you've been practicing with these lessons every day, you have already achieved something special. You showed up. You practiced. You didn't give up. And that matters. Learning a language isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Keep moving forward. Even if your progress feels slow, every sentence you speak, every mistake you make, and every minute you practice brings you closer to fluency. Never compare yourself to someone else. Compare yourself to the person you were yesterday. If you're improving, you're already succeeding. Congratulations. And now, congratulations. You have completed our 7-day English speaking challenge. Whether you've watched every lesson from the beginning or this is the first lesson you found, thank you for spending your time learning with me. If this is your first lesson, you can find the complete 7-day English speaking challenge playlist on the Speed English channel and start from day 1 anytime. If you've completed all 7 days, I'm proud of you. Take a moment to celebrate your progress. But don't stop here. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep speaking. English is a skill. And every day you use it, you become stronger. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Speed English, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. I'll see you again in our next English lesson. Until then, take care. Keep speaking English. Keep believing in yourself. And have a wonderful day. Goodbye.